Hey guys, welcome to another video on weekly market review. So in this video, I'll be breaking down price action for this past week and what price delivered and the implementation of the fundamental news that came out and how it affected price direction. So without further ado, let's just go into the process. And as you know by now, the first step we do go through is to check out the Forex Factory and see what's popping there. So yeah, we should just go to our Forex Factory. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So on Monday we didn't have any news, red folder news release. We had on Tuesday 4 p.m. USD, both USD news, and we had on Wednesday GBP and on USD. And on Thursday we had on unemployment claims, which is a very high volatile news. And on Friday we had the NFP and unemployment claims too. So on Friday was really volatile, and we were expecting a huge manipulative move coming in because NFP is known for that. So having this in mind and knowing that Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday comes with huge volatility, we expect market to fulfill its weekly objective for the week. So let's go into the chart and make sense of what price action did. So yeah, let's start with the DXY as we normally do. So let's start with the daily chart so we can make sense of what price did. As you can see here, guys, price has been on a downtrend short term. But let's go into the weekly chart so we just have an idea of what is happening. So I'm just trying to go in depth in this video, so let's just see. So this, we had a break of structure here. We had a break of structure here. I'm not going to mark it out, but we had a break of structure here to the upside. So what did price do? Price just had a retracement. Price had a retracement back into discount and into a discount array. So this retracement into discount is going to be a short-term downtrend on the lower time frame. So going into the daily time frame, we've seen the downtrend starting from here. Price has been on a downtrend, and if you go into the 1 hour chart, it's clear, you can see it very clearly that price was on a clear downtrend. So yeah, you can see here price was on a clear downtrend, and having in mind it's just a retracement to discount on the weekly time frame, which is still bullish. So we're expecting bullishness to kick in after price has fulfilled its discount objective. So knowing this, price fulfilled its objective on, let's say, the day. Price fulfilled its objective, which was last week, 29th of November. So since then, price has changed the direction, which is, we have seen a change in market direction, which is now becoming bullish. So what have we been seeing here? We've been seeing price breaking structure to the upside. Price clearly breaking structure to the upside. So what am I trying to say of this? What I'm saying is that price is now in an uptrend, so we should be looking mostly for buys. So what happened this week? Let's just go into the 1 hour chart so we can break down what price did this week, which is starting from, let me see, the week started, I guess the week started, yeah, let's say the week started here. So what did the price do this week? As you can see, price was bullish, and I told you guys, yeah, I remember on my weekly market outlook video, if you haven't seen it, I would advise you guys to go check it out. My outlook was, I was expecting price to target this low if we were going to continue the downtrend, but knowing now that price has fulfilled its discount objective, so the next target is to take price into premium. So now we are seeing bullishness, and my second bias was, if price breaks this high, we are not expecting price to break this high, but if price breaks this high, we should see price fulfill this target. If you should go check out the video so you know, you understand what I said there. So I said we should see price fulfill this target, which price did on Wednesday, and had a retracement because we had resting liquidity up here. So price fulfilled it and had a retracement there, went up there, and we've seen rejection from there. So yeah, Monday started with bullishness. We've seen bullishness in price breaking structure still on the lower time frame. We've seen higher highs heading to this week. This is my target here. So as you can see, knowing this, let me just take this out. Knowing this, we already have in mind that we are looking for buys this week. So going into Monday, we won't. I don't normally trade on Monday, so I just gauge price tendency to either meet my expectation or violate my analysis. So after seeing price break out this high here, let me just mark it out. After let me this it's already here, so let me just break it out. After seeing price break out this high, confirm my bullishness. So going in, I'm looking for price to make a retracement into discount of the previous structure, which is from here. Just looking for price to go into discount, which price did perfectly 50% here, as you can see, guys. The price went into discounts and bounce off to breaking out this structure and ultimately targeting this liquidity here. So since we've been bullish on Monday heading into Wednesday, which now saw a huge retracement targeting this liquidity here, after clearing the liquidity, you can see it continued on the upside because overall we are on a bullish trend. So any retracement down is just to take out liquidity on a discount level. So yeah, as knowing this now, we should know that we were expecting bearishness on GBP and Euro for the week. So let's go into GBP and make sense of what price is. Similar to our analysis on the GXY, you can see the weekly has been on a downtrend. So price just made a retracement. You can see the weekly here has been on an uptrend there. So price made a retracement. Let's see here. Price made a retracement here into a premium or what? This is a premium array here. So yeah, this is a premium array. So price bounce off this premium order block here. So we are expecting price to target this in the coming week. Mark it out. Okay. Yeah, so we are expecting price to get down to this level the coming week, taking out this liquidity that is down here. So knowing this, you've seen price has been bullish this previous week. Price has been bullish, but the recent week we've seen structure changing to the bearish side, targeting this liquidity, which I still believe price is going to ultimately come down to. So what am I saying? This week started from here. Let's mark it out so we can just try to make sense of what's happened this week and how price delivered. So as you can see, this is the Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. Yeah. So this week started from here. So what happened this week? After price cleared out this liquidity here, after price cleared out this liquidity here, we've seen a displacement down to the downside, breaking structure. What is the structure? Price has been breaking structure to the downside. Yeah. So we are now expecting bearishness. So this was Monday price action. You see Tuesday price action, Wednesday price action, ultimately bearishness, targeting this liquidity here, which price fulfilled on Friday after using the NFP details. So clearly, as you can see, guys, this week has been bearish, price has been making consecutive lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, so this week was clearly bearish on GBP USD, aiming for this liquidity here. So what you would have been looking for this week was sales, and you would have started looking for sales after price broke this structure to the downside and cleared liquidity here and broke this structure to the downside. So you now know you are on a bearish trend and you are aiming for ultimately this liquidity here. So you can just take a retracement trade, and using any of your strategy, you can just take a trade here, which is a retracement to 50% and execute and targeting this liquidity here ultimately on the downside. So yeah, on GBP you can see price was bearish, following the bullishness on we've seen on GXY, and similar to Euro USD. price has been bearish on Euro USD as well, which is just a retracement. Yeah, so let's go down into the lower time frame and make sense of it. Let's go into the 1 hour chart and see clearly what price did. So yeah, this week started from here. So as you can see clearly, price was on a downtrend, or is on a downtrend, clear downtrend. So what are we looking for? Mostly sales. We are looking for sales. We have no interest taking buys here. So knowing this, what was your draw on liquidity, or what was your target? This was ultimately your target for the week. This was ultimately your target for the week, which price has fulfilled here. So watching this, you would have just, after you've seen Monday open, broke this low, continue making lower lows, you would have just been looking for opportunity to take a sell trade targeting that liquidity here. So let's go. Let me go down into the lower time frame and just make sense of what happened. Yeah. So as you can see this, as you can see this in the 30 minutes chart, which was on Thursday, this happened. So let me just give let me just give you guys hints of how price delivers. So as you can see this, we've been on a downtrend, bear in mind. So what did the price do here? Most people trading structure without any, let me delete this. Most people trade structure without any narrative. We'll see this as a break of structure to the upside. So price is now making higher high. So they might just take out their retracement, their FIB2, and expect to take a buy from this discount. Let's say let me just put a long position here. Say they decide to take a buy here and put their stop loss below here and aim for what they want to aim. Let's say this structure here. So why is this a poor trade? One, price has been on the downtrend clearly, as you can see here on the structure, making consistent lower lows. Two, this was just a run on previous day high liquidity. This was just a fake out to manipulate buyers, to manipulate traders to expect to think that price is now changing structure. And look at how price successfully fooled, like, manipulated traders, like their mindset. Look at this, the way price was finding it difficult just mentioned, which it's what they call time distortion. Bear in mind, as we've checked remember when we checked the fundamentals, we were expecting NFP to come out on Friday. So what price do on Friday? You can see this time distortion. So price was just waiting on the volatility to kick in come NFP release. So this was just kind of event. So you see, after price got into the 65% range, you saw the bullishness, a little bullishness of solidifying the bullish narrative that some traders might have. And after this, some people might stack in more positions and say yes, the price is showing them signal to that it wants to go up and target this high. So why is this a wrong narrative, or why is this a wrong mindset to go into the market? You've seen clearly price has been on the downtrend. So anyone on previous day high or anyone on the short-term high is just a grab on liquidity. And once price has taken out this liquidity here, the next liquidity price will offload its order here. Like price got in an order here, and the next point for price to offload this order it had here was this low. So after price took out this liquidity here, the next target ultimately was this low, which price cleared out using NFP volatility. So yeah, this is just a quick breakdown on what price did this week. And I have stopped trading for the year. I'm waiting for 2024 to start in a fresh market condition. So I know I'm kicking off the year with a fresh mindset and not trying to risk my capital on this poor market condition and this holiday period. So yeah guys, I'll still be doing my normal weekend breakdown and weekly outlook. And yeah, this is just a quick review on what price action did this week. I hope to see you guys on my next video, which will be coming up tomorrow, and don't miss it, guys. So I hope you guys continue to have a great weekend, and peace.